What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your designs in GIMP. So to do that, you want to look on the left hand side and you will find text. You click on the text tool and then you click on your design. Right away it's going to go ahead and allow you to basically create, so you can even draw the box how you want it, and you can just basically position it where you want at any point in time. This is how you can go ahead and you can get started. So I'm going to just type, for example, the word Teddy right here, and as you can see right away, it is there, and I'm going to highlight my text. I can choose bold right here, and I can even change the font size. So I'm going to choose this, let's say A, and we're going to choose, for example, Arial Block. And you can see right away that I added. And this is how you can easily go ahead and add your text within GIMP and your designs. And that's it, guys. As you can see right here, I click away, and if I want to, let's say, change the color, I can now click on the colors and I can put that into whatever color that I want. And yeah, you do it and you click, and that you want to ensure that you highlight your text first and foremost. Forget to mention that, highlight your text, and now you can change the colors that you wish to. And once you click on OK, it's going to go ahead and change it for you. And that's it. And if you want to get rid of the text tool, just choose something else on the left side and you're good to go. Very easy and very simple.